Welcome back to the Dapper House. In today's tutorial, we're going to teach you how to tie the 4-in-hand knot. Now let's get started. Begin by adjusting the length of your tie so that the wide end is double the length of the narrow end. Now take the wide end over the top of the narrow end and wrap it around. When you do this, you've created a hole between the knot and your neck. Now pull the wide end up through that hole. Make sure there's no creases and everything is nice and straight. And then take the wide end of the tie through the front of the knot and pull down. Once you've done that, again, make sure there are no creases and everything is laying nice and flat. And then here's the important part. When you're tightening the knot, if you want a dimple, put your thumb in the middle of the back of the tie and your finger on the front of the tie and pull down in the middle. This will start to create that dimple that you want. Now take your finger, press it down on the dimple and pull down the sides of the tie so that you emphasize that dimple more and get more depth. What you just saw is me tightening the knot by taking my finger and pulling down on the front part of the knot to tighten it. Now, take the narrow end, pull down on the narrow end, and pull up on the knot to bring it towards your neck. Adjust your collar, make sure your button is buttoned, and again, hold the narrow end, pull the knot up towards your neck, make any final adjustments. Again, if you want more emphasis on the dimple, follow the technique we just talked about, and then if you want a tighter knot, pull down on the top of the knot as you just saw. Don't forget to put the back of your tie into the tie keeper, the narrow end that is. Put it into the tie keeper, make your adjustments, and you're good to go. Thank you for joining us for this Dapper House tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and stay dapper out there.